Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the practicals of ones complement operator in Ruby. And today we will learn about the practicals of left shift operator in Ruby. Let's create our first variable, that is variable a, and I am assigning one value, that is 000, 111, 11. This is actually the binary value of 31, and now I am performing an binary left shift operation. So here is my variable, that is variable a, and my operator, that is double less than, and the number of bits that I want to shift. For example, here I want to shift 2 bits, and this will gives me output 124. So now let's take some deep dive that how this 124 comes. So here let me explain you. Here is my variable, that is variable a is having value this, and now I want to perform left shift operation. So how this actually works? Suppose variable a, and here is my 2 bits. Now how this work? I have specified 2 bits. So this left shift operator takes an left operand, that is variable a. Here is a value and I have specified 2. So this left shift operator will shift the most left digits to left. So the first 2 zeros has been removed and the output is 0, 111, 11 and 00. These 2 new digits are added because we have shifted 2 digits to left side. So this is how we can work with binary left shift operator. Now we will check this output matches with the execution output. So let's create one variable output, and I am assigning that output here. For example, 0, 111, 11, 00, and we will get 124. So this is how we can work with binary left shift operators. In next lecture, we will learn the practicals of right shift operator in Ruby.